Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for raspberry pie made from frozen raspberries. Simply because fresh ones are really expensive. So unless you happen to have a raspberry bush in your backyard, I'm assuming that most people will be making them using frozen raspberries. So let's get started.
Not too many ingredients. We need one recipe of double pie crust. See the link in the card. 4 cups or 500 grams of frozen raspberries. Half a cup or 100 grams of sugar. 3 tablespoons flour. First, prepare the raspberry filling. I pour the frozen raspberries in a large mixing bowl and toss them with the sugar and flour. Let them sit for a few minutes while preparing the pie crust. Roll out half the recipe of pie crust onto a baking sheet. If it crumbles a bit, just press it back together. Place the pie plate upside down in the middle and flip the baking paper over to place the crust into the pan. Pour as much of the raspberry filling into the pie crust as will fit. You might be able to fit more than I can, because my pie pan is very small. Then roll out the other half of the pie crust . Cut a little design into it and place it on top. Arrange it and pinch the edges closed. Sprinkle the top with sugar. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Remove from oven and allow it to cool completely. Chilling will also help with the stability. It can be a bit difficult to get out of the pan. This recipe is full of raspberry flavor, just full of fruit. I hope you liked the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.